So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely automate your YouTube channel so that anytime you release a new video, a blog post gets automatically created for you and sent and published directly to your website without you having to do anything. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to video2blog.ai. This is the website we're going to use to set up that automation and create the blog post. If you don't have an account, that's okay. You can click the try for free, and there's a free trial so you can test it out. But I do have an account, so I'm going to click and go to my dashboard. I'm going to then click on the automations tab. I'm going to then click create automation. Then it's going to ask me for my YouTube channel URL. So I've got that pulled up right here. I'm going to copy the URL to my YouTube channel. I'm going to paste it in, and then I'm going to click next. Then it's going to ask me, so it's always going to send an email anytime a blog post is created. And then it's going to ask what format I want that in. There's a bunch of options: HTML, Markdown, PDF, Word, email, HTML. In this case, I'm just going to keep the link checked. That's really all I need. But what I do want is I want to send it to my website. So I'm going to click this box, and then I'm going to select my website from the list. If you don't see your website here, what that means is that you need to go back and go to the integrations tab and then connect your website for whatever platform you use to host your website. So now I'm going to click next, and then it's going to ask me all of the different configuration settings that I want to have my blog post generated using. So the first thing is custom instructions. In this case, I'm not going to add any, but this is a really powerful tool to customize the blog in any way that's not offered in any of these settings below. The next thing it's going to ask is what kind of article I want to create. I'm going to keep a companion article because these are my own videos, as opposed to the other option is an original article, really meant to be used on videos that aren't your own to create an original piece using the video's research. But in this case, I'm going to keep a companion article. I'm going to select an AI generated featured image. I'm also going to add screenshots because in a lot of my videos, including this one, I'm doing a screen share. So screenshots make a lot of sense. I'm also going to choose to embed the video. And then that's it. There's a bunch of other options with adding links, writing preferences, and a lot more. But for my use case, I'm just going to keep those options right there. And then I'm going to click Create Automation. And then that's it. So now this automation set up. When I release a video on my YouTube channel, including this one I'm doing right now, I'm going to have a blog post automatically created and sent to my website. And it's that simple. So um, I hope you found this video useful. Again, the website is video2blog.ai, and I'll link to that in the description below. So thanks for watching.